Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will teach you how to fix camera not working on MacBook in macOS Sonoma. Let's begin. First, make sure that your Mac's camera is working properly. To check this, open the Launchpad on your Mac. In the Launchpad, find an open photo booth and check if your MacBook camera is working or not. So friends, you can see that my MacBook's camera is working perfectly. So you can also check your camera this way. So friends, if this method does not work in your MacBook and your camera doesn't turn on, then try this method by going to System Settings app. So click on the Apple logo and go to System Settings. In System Settings menu, scroll down to find Privacy and Security and click on it. In Privacy and Security, click on Camera. Here, make sure the app you want to use the camera is turned on from here. If the app is not turned on, you will not be able to use the camera of this app. So turn on the camera from here.